Watch how factories transform jackfruit into plant-based burger patties.
Stretching to the horizon, this colossal plantation represents the future of the global food supply.
Pallet scanned and cleared for Bay 7. Send the next one up.
Roger that. Bringing it in.
Check this one, it looks perfect. Yes, the calibration is spot on. We need to increase the speed on this section.
I've adjusted the flow rate, it should stabilize now.
Each jackfruit passes through an advanced optical scanning system that analyzes internal quality in real time.
The flow rate is optimized now. Yes, the readings are perfect. We can increase the speed slightly.
Quality check complete. The yield looks excellent. Move it to the next stage.
After peeling, only the tender fibrous core is selected for processing. Large steam chambers soften the natural fibers.
The temperature in Zone 3 is holding steady at 95 Celsius. Good. Keep monitoring the moisture levels at the exit.
Natural seasonings are blended into every batch. Plant-based ingredients improve texture and consistency. Turning nature's abundance into delicious plant-based meals. expanding food choices for a healthier and more sustainable future.
The yield optimization on line 3 increased by 12% this quarter. Yeah.
We should adjust the robotic cadence to match the new
I
foot.
agree. The predictive maintenance schedule aligns with that adjustment. Check the differential pressure on the lower vents.
Reading stable. The misting nozzles are clear.
Diameter check, 10 centimeters confirmed. And the thickness is holding steady at 12 millimeters.
Rapid cooling lowers the product temperature to 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, preserving freshness and texture. Thousands of plant-based burger patties are ready for consumers worldwide.
The global distribution lines are stabilizing. Zoom into the European hub. Acknowledged. Traffic is optimized.
Look at you, making a mess already.
It's so good, Mom.
He's right. The synthesis on this batch is superb.